Welcome to Samba. In today's video we are gonna take a look at advanced features of our Flow campaigns. The first feature that we are gonna explore is Facebook Node. The Facebook Node allows you to add or remove customers from audiences in your Facebook Manager, allowing you to communicate with the customers outside the Samba interface. In the Node settings, choose your advertising account and desired audience. If you don't have a specific audience, you can create a new one here. Then select what you want the audience to be updated, and if so, select after what interval. Confirm the settings and you have the Facebook Node set up. Using webhooks, you can connect Samba to the API of any third-party application. According to the logic set in the Flow campaign, Samba sends an HTTP request at the moment of its evaluation, which can contain any data of your customers. You can easily send, for example, the data of important customers who haven't yet responded to a retention email campaign to your contact center and launch a Flow campaign. Open a webhook node settings in a Flow campaign. As a first step, we will name this node for the better evaluation of multiple nodes. Now, we will choose what we call an endpoint for the webhook. This is the method for the HTTP request. You have the option of get, post, put, patch, and delete. In the request URL field, enter a valid address for the API connection, including the HTTP protocol. You can also secure the communication between Samba and the third-party application. To secure the communication, you can use both basic authentication, that is username and password, or add additional authentication tokens in the custom header section. Now let's proceed to the creation of data content. First we need to select the format of our request. We can choose from the following basic types: JSON, JSON Stream, CSV, and XML. In case you need to use different type, select the custom option and enter the desired type in the input field. Next, we will set up a batch sending. Batch sending allows efficient communication with the API so that each individual customer does not have to be sent in a separate request. Instead, with batch sending, Samba sends multiple customers at once in a single request, minimizing the number of third-party connections. A maximum of 1000 customers can be sent in a single batch. Now let's proceed to creating the request body itself. The handlebar JSON templating language is used to create the request body. The basic form of the request must always include an iteration through the customers in the following form. Customer attributes can be inserted into the request in a form of merge tags similar to an email template. Just be aware that the notation may differ from the email merge tags. A simple design of the body, containing the customer ID, email address, and the customer parameter bonus points, would look like this. Once we have the request created, we can check the content for the correctness using validation. Use the Submit Test Request button to send the test request with the currently sent endpoint and data content format. Detailed results with the total number of API calls, as well as the number of successfully and unsuccessfully exported customers, can be found in the webhook node details in the Flow campaigns of the result campaign. Perfect! We have now introduced you to our advanced features within our Flow campaigns. We hope that this video will help you expand your usage of Flow campaigns. If you need any help, do not hesitate to contact our support.